Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've discovered another trading opportunity from ForTraders. They are selling their 6k one-step account for $9.99. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe right now, because I keep on sharing opportunities like this, so that when you come across them, you too, you can benefit from it. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Let's go. So inside here, we are going to their account. So here is the Forex account one step. So we are looking for the 6k account. You can see it over here, 2026 offer 6k account, which is going for $9.99. So when you click on it right now, it just send you to their what, their page where you can just purchase the account. Because if you have not, if you have not subscribe to the channel, so like this opportunity, you will continue to get it from me. So let's go. So here is it. You just click on it. So I'll be putting the link inside my description, so like you can just click on it and then go to their site and then purchase this. I think it's a limited order, so if you see it right now, go and get it. This is what a new year gift from them. So today is 2nd, so I don't know when. So if you come across it right now and then you have not purchased it, go and purchase it, because it will not be there for long. I hope you will enjoy it. But like their rules, I really want to talk about their rules. Let me see. Let's go to their rules. Frequently asked questions, and then let's see something about their one-step account. So let's go to their account. So they have their rules, technicals, So let's go to, we want the account, ForTraders account. So we are looking for the one step. So we are looking for one step, Forex one step challenge. So here is it. So here is their rules. If you purchase the account, please go over and over these rules, in order not to breach it. Example is this one: no single trade can exceed 70% of the profit target during the challenge. So if you look at the 6k account, your profit shouldn't exceed 70% of it, and then you have to do that kind of math, and then you know what to do. So the rest is here. You can just go and read it, because the rules are critical. They are critical. You have to read them. Minimum profitable days. You must complete at least 3 profitable trading days during the one-step challenge. So all this you have to bear in mind, and then you have to purchase. I hope this you have seen. Please, you can just like it and then say something about it if you were able to purchase it, and then you get benefit of this. This encourages me for me to do more of this for you people. I hope you benefit from it. Bye. See you again next.